Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Honor Band 5 is now available in India through Flipkart, and today in this video, we will show you the unboxing and features of this fitness tracker. Honor Band 5 is available to purchase on Flipkart for Rs 2599. So let's do the unboxing first. In the front of the box we have the picture of the band itself with the model name Honor Band 5 written on the top. And here you can see it has the AMOLED display and comes with the color watch faces. The MRP of the Honor Band 5 is Rs 2999. At the back of the box we have the features of this fitness tracker such as large AMOLED screen, stylish watch faces, scientific sleep monitoring, true screen heart rate monitoring, it's water resistant up to 50 meters and also supports swim stroke recognition. This band also has multifunctional sport tracking, smart notifications for calls and messages and up to 14 days of battery backup. So let's open the box and see the content now. So first we get the user manual and a warranty card. And here we have the tracker itself. My first impression about this band is that it looks exactly like the Honor Band 4. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we get in the box. So in the box we get the charger which is same as the Honor Band 4 and it connects at the back of the band. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the fitness tracker closely. Honor Band 5 in terms of design looks exactly like its predecessor Honor Band 4. I wish there was some sort of design change in this, but anyways, talking about the screen, the display we have is 0.95 inches AMOLED screen with the 282 pixel density. It's a touch screen and has a 2.5D curved glass same as the Honor Band 4. At the bottom of the screen we also have a capacitive button to go through the menu. The strap of the Honor Band 5 is of good quality, and as some of you guys know that I prefer traditional style straps over the push button straps. At the back of the fitness tracker, we have the charging pins and the heart rate sensor. This fitness tracker also supports 24 hours heart rate monitoring. Now let's turn it on and see the options. So in order to turn on this band, we need to connect it to a power source. So here it is on and asking us to download the app Huawei Health. I already have the app installed in my phone. Now let's connect the band. Initially you will not see the Honor Band 5 in the list, but after the update it will show you the Honor Band 4 and 5. So we need to choose this one and then follow the instructions on the screen. So here it is connected. Now let's go through the menu of the band. So this is the watch face, and by the way, out of the box you will get only 3 watch faces. And after a couple of firmware updates, you will get total of 8 watch faces, which is still not the same what company promised, as they have mentioned a watch face market where we can download different watch faces. Unfortunately, at the time of making this video, that option is still not available. Rest menu option is same as the Honor Band 4. Initially the icons were also same, but after the firmware update, we saw some changes in the icons. In terms of navigation, it's a simple swipe gestures and you have this one dedicated button at the bottom to go back to the main menu. Talking about the menu more, we have the step counts, and here you can see the details of your calories burned, distance traveled and so on. And then we have the heart rate. And talking about the heart rate more, I was really not happy as the SpO2 monitoring, which was actually the main feature of this band, was not available. Even after the firmware updates, which clearly mention that we will be getting the SpO2 monitoring, it wasn't available yet in India. And then after the heart rate, we have the sleep data and the workout menu. In the workout menu, you have different workout support, and we also noticed that after the firmware upgrade, there were new workout options. But we're still missing the outdoor cycling as it is only supported with the EMUI 5.0 and the iOS. Similarly, the remote shutter option was also not available as it's only available with the EMUI 5.0. Then in the menu, we have the settings where you have timer, stopwatch, watch faces, find phone option. And here is how you get the alert on your phone.
I'm here.
After the find phone option, we have the brightness option, and here you can also choose the dim brightness during night time. Now you also have the screen on feature which will keep the screen on for 5 minutes. And then you have the battery and system. In the system menu, you can shut down, restart or reset your band. And lastly in the menu, we have the messages where it will show you the notifications. And about the messages, we have seen this with the Honor Band 4 as well, that the message menu is quite laggy, especially scrolling through different messages. So that's all we have on the band. Now let's look at the app. The Huawei Health app is one of my favorite companion app which is quite simple and offers a lot of data. So on the homepage you have the step count, and then below it you have the sleep data and the heart rate data. You can go through any of these options to see historical data of sleep and heart rate. Then on the next page you have the exercise menu where you can start run, walk or cycling. You also have a train menu where you have different running plans. On the profile page, you will see the pair device, and then when you tap on it, you have different settings. The first thing you will see is the battery percentage on the top, and below it, some workout data. And then we have the option to toggle Huawei True Sleep feature, which I definitely recommend you to turn it on, as Honor Bands, according to my opinion, has the best sleep tracking technology. Till now I have used the Honor Band for a couple of days and I find the sleep data pretty accurate like the Honor Band 4. Coming back to the settings, then we have the activity reminder, which will remind you when you have been sitting for over an hour. And then we have the heart rate monitoring menu, and here you can turn on the continuous heart rate. You also have the option to turn on smart or real-time monitoring. In the smart monitoring, the app auto-adjusts the frequency of the measurement depending upon the state of your activity. This is a good way of getting the heart rate data, and also it will consume less battery as compared to the real-time 24 hours monitoring. And then you have the alarm, DND and notification option. In the notifications, you can choose the apps for which you want a notification on the smart band. And talking about the notifications, here is how they look. Here is the call notification, and you can also swipe up to reject the call. There is no option to silent a call from the band itself. And here is how the message notification looks like. There is no issue with the notifications, just the buggy and laggy message menu on the band. After that, we have some basic features such as weather, race to wake feature, which works pretty good on this band. And lastly, the firmware update. So overall, Honor Band 5 is a pretty good fitness tracker. You're getting a gorgeous AMOLED touchscreen. Battery backup is also pretty good, and with the normal usage, you can get 14 days of battery backup. This fitness tracker has Bluetooth 5.0 support, and it is also 5 ATM waterproof. Comparing it with the Honor Band 4, you will not find any significant changes apart from the SpO2 monitoring, which is not available right now in India. And also, you're getting more preset watch faces. And hopefully, there'll be soon an option of watch face market for the Honor Band 5 in India. Apart from that, the data is pretty accurate, and overall I find the Honor Band 5 pretty comfortable to wear. Now here is the question whether you should buy it. So I will put it that way: if you're looking for a fitness tracker under Rs 2500, and if it will be your first fitness tracker, then we definitely recommend you to go either with this or the Mi Band 4. But if you're already using Honor Band 4, then we do not recommend you to upgrade. And guys, we will be doing a detailed ownership review of the Honor Band 5, and we'll also compare it with the Mi Band 4. So stay tuned for that. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Honor Band 5. Let us know if you like this fitness tracker, and also do tell us if you would upgrade to this fitness tracker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.